I'm Madison, that's my mom, and today we're going to be showing you how to make sugar cookies. There's going to be two parts. Part 1 is going to be making the dough, and part 2 is going to be making the icing and decorating the cookies. And this is very easy, and there's very few ingredients.
1/2 cup sugar, 1 cup soft butter, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 4 teaspoons baking powder, and 4 cups of flour.
The first step is going to be creaming the butter and the sugar together. Now that that's done, you're going to add the vanilla and eggs one at a time. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients. Now we're going to add all the dry ingredients, little at a time. So now that our dough is done, we need to put flour on your workstation. And you're also going to need to put flour on your rolling pin. And now we're just going to put the dough on top of the flour. Okay, now we are going to roll out the dough. So you want to roll your dough out to about 1/4 inch thick, and then the cookie cutters we're using are this Santa hat, a snowflake, and this ornament. So now you just want to cut out your shapes and then put them on a baking sheet and bake them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 350. Alright, so this is what the cookies look like after they've cooled for a while. We got about 4 dozen out of that dough, but it depends how much you get out of it depending on the thickness of your cookies and the size of your cookie cutters. But these cookies do stay pretty soft for about a week, and any mistakes on them, like this hat or the ornament, you can just cover that up with icing later.
Stay tuned for part 2 where we go over royal icing and the decorating of the cookies. Give these a try. They're easy to do. I even did them.
Yeah, make sure to follow us on Instagram, subscribe if you like this channel, and like this video if you enjoyed watching us make cookies.